In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a whip and blur transition in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported these two clips onto my timeline over here. The first thing I'm going to do is to come over to my project panel over here and select this new item icon and create a new adjustment layer and hit OK, and drag this adjustment layer into my timeline over here and select the adjustment layer, right click and set the duration to 8 frames and hit OK. The next thing we need to do is to place this adjustment layer to the center of our clip. To do that, simply select it, hold down Alt, and use the left arrow to move it to the center. Next, come over to the Effects tab over here and search for the push effect and add the push effect in between your two clips over here. If it's not in the center, select your clip, come over to Effects Control, under Alignment, change it to Center at Cut. Now change the duration to 8 frames. Go back to Effects Control and search for Directional Blur and apply Directional Blur to the adjustment layer over here and set the direction to 90 degrees and the blur length to 100. And you can see what we've created over here.